Good morning, friends. So today, I have no voice. We kind of knew that was gonna happen. We are headed over to Animal Kingdom today for our fast passes. We have Flight of Avatar, which I'm so or Flight of Passage, which I'm so excited about because we haven't been able to do this ride since it first came out. So that's where we're headed today. Enjoy.
Clear dispatch. Well, folks, looks like you're Dinosaur row 35. Dinosaur 35. Write that down, some of the guys. You know, while I'm sure you've got your vehicle. Just take a look around the tram car ahead of you guys. I'll follow somebody around all. Okay guys, we're going to take a sharp left turn here, folks, so please make sure you don't lose any belongings. If you do, just lift up your hand and wave to it, and I'll raise mine and wave it back round. We'll pick it up later on, folks. 2 days later. You guys in front, can you hear me down there? Wave your hands around. Can you hear? That's okay. Have you set your seatbelts yet? Good. Make sure your seatbelt tray table is locked in place in the upright position, please. And please refrain from using your cell phones in interviews on navigation systems. Back on tight, drive.
Nothing matters. First, you only got one side open.
If you come here, come try again first.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking that too. Remain seated at all times. Keeping hands, arms, and feet inside the vehicle. We're going to go through some thick underbrush, and some of those have thorns on them. So even if the truck stops, please remain seated. And if you guys are taking photos, that's perfectly fine for Photo Safari. Just hold on tightly to all of your devices. If anything falls out on the reserve, I can't stop to pick it up. So just hold on very tightly. Oh, up on the right, there's an Okapi. He's moving through real quick. You also have those cameras up at the ready on a sports mode or action mode. Because these wild animals probably aren't going to stop for us. But the Okapi, despite those stripes, they are the only known relative of the giraffe. The longer you look at them, you can see that structure of a little giraffe in there. They also walk the same and they have the same tongue. It's called a prehensile tongue. And it reaches about 15 inches long. Yeah, it's basically a little hand. It's what they used to grab all their food out of the trees way up high. And they're extremely shy. So they were a myth around Africa until 1901 when they were actually discovered. Because only a few people ever got to see them, so nobody believed that they were real. Well, coming up on the left are the black rhino. And right over here. Yeah, the black rhino weighs up to 3,000 pounds. Yeah, they can charge at 35 miles per hour, which is one of the fastest charges of any animal in the world. But sadly, there's less than 5,000 of them. Yeah, that's all because of poaching. They're poached for their horns, and those are made of keratin. That is the same exact material your fingernails are made of. So, if you've ever chewed on your fingernails, you know they have no value to them. Oh, and also here on the right are the greater kudu. Now these are one of the largest antelope in the world. They stand up to 55 inches tall at their shoulder, and a full-grown male can weigh about 750 pounds. Yeah, those are females. You can tell because they don't have any horns. The males will have horns, and they can reach. Oh, Oh, there's some more over here. A little more out of water. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Now, a group of hippos like this is called a bloat. It's a bloat of hippos. And they are sleeping because they're nocturnal. So they're going to sleep all day underwater. And the only time they're going to come up on land is at night to do their grazing. That's extremely rare to see. Because like I said, they're nocturnal. The only time they come out of water is at night. What I was saying is be mindful. They're extremely territorial. So it makes them one of the largest and most dangerous animals there. Water all over the place. Now the Nile crocodile is much larger and much more aggressive than the American alligator. The average size of one of these guys is about 16 feet long and 500 pounds. That is just the average size. And they can't sweat the whole time. Now we gotta wait for him to pass. It starts with an S. I'm not really sure. But they like the moss that's on it. It's usually what they eat off of it. But yeah, their tongue reaches 18 inches. And now that you've seen it, you know it's not pink. It's a dark purple, almost black. And the reason being for that is so it doesn't get sunburned. Because they eat for at least 16 hours every day. That's kind of the right. You're pretty close. Those are the sable antelope. Back up there in the corner. Up here on the left. Elephants love them. They like to pierce them with their ivory tusks, creating a little water stream for them. Because the elephants will drink about 40 gallons of water a day. And if you can see, she doesn't even have her tusk yet. They don't get their tusk until they're about 5 years old. She actually just turned 1 this month. And she's super cute. When a baby elephant is born, they weigh up to 300 pounds. And that pregnancy takes them 22 months. Now, they're born gray with black legs, and they get their feet color from the beta-carotene found in their diet. But it won't happen overnight. It takes them about a year to a year and a half to fully develop their color. So if you look at these gray ones, you can see they have just a little bit of pink coming through. These are their babies. They're finally starting to get their color. Larger than the black rhino that we saw earlier. They weigh up to 5,000 pounds.
Oh, God bless you.
Oh, we heard
Stop.
you.
Yep, he's done.
He probably did hear you though. They have extremely sensitive hearing, so that's why their ears move around so much. And the females all have gray feathers, and the males all have black.
Hi, guys. Hi.
Yes, there's, I want to say about 27,000, which
Have some grass.
is still a low number for them. But the black rhinos are... I wonder what she's doing. Oh, I knew it. Oh, there's another lioness. She looked like she was about to pounce. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's pretty rare to see one lion. They usually like to hang out in their pride.
Oh, don't go away. Come back.
Let's see if we can get a better look at him on the other side. Throw a claw around his face or his neck. And as you can see, they're way more active during the day. If you guys come back, well, they're active at night. I meant during the morning. If you guys come during the middle of the day, the most time they just sleep. So to see them pounce on each other, that was really cool. I meant the lioness when they chased each other, not what he was doing. But yeah, like I was saying, it's pretty rare to see one lion. They reverse into the burrows with their tusks pointed out to warn off their predators.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, Pumbaa in Swahili means foolish one.
Oh.
It's pretty fitting for him.
Yes.
But Simba in Swahili does mean lion.
How long the line was.
Look it up on your phone.
Later. It's nice to have a fix pass. Yeah. Wow.
Please make sure everybody can see the screen.
12.
Who's on high? Hey, right here.
genetic matching room. Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me?
Yes. Yes.
Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the ikran and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. In fact, the Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who restarted the Avatar program. It's because of her that you're able to go through this rite of passage today. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves. So, let's get ready for our next... Huh? I'll be right back. Put the standby system on, quickly.
Standby. We're looking into delays with the genetic matching system.
All right, you've all been matched with avatars. Looks like they're ready for you in the next room. When the door opens, please go inside, all the way in, and stand over the same number that you're standing over now. And I'll see you in there.
This is the line for the boat ride.
In Avatar or Pandora, we're going to Africa.
My goodness. It goes way back here. This is for the Na'vi Journey ride. Way back here. End of line for Na'vi River Journey. Wow.
Standby wait's probably a little over 2 hours right now.
So pretty. Yeah. Yeah. It's a pretty tree. Look, the teepees in it that are all lit up too.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that cool? That's neat. I like the big bags that they have on there. Love the teepees. Those are so pretty. The owls.
Family factors on there.
They have holiday gifts set up here at the resort. You can buy gifts and they will gift wrap them for you. So small packages are $4 and large packages are $6 for them to do. Oh, how nice. Hi. Very, very nice. I got a fire in the fireplace. I got a wreath up there. And they've got garland all along the front of the banisters or balconies. Very, very cute. And they've got garland along this banister. Very pretty. And Brian made his way over here on the bridge. It's pretty.
Yeah.
It's not hot, is it?
No.
No.
It was earlier.
Oh, but it's got cold. I like it hot, but no, I'm good.
You are.
Thank you.
What can I get for you?
No, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Have a great night.
Thank you. Window display. Oh, pretty. I love that. Look how pretty that garland is. With red cardinals. Oh, how pretty. Cute. See those cool candles? They're not real candles. They're like moving, but they're flickering. Aren't those cool? Those are so neat.
Wow.
Yeah, that tree's pretty. And I love that garland with the cardinals on it and the red. That's so pretty. Here's another one of their displays. Very pretty. I love that. I have that set. I have that set. Yeah, these are cute. So pretty. And then out here they have garland hanging on the tops. Surprised that the garland isn't lit up.